to another episode of Cucina Ed, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a simple but delicious lasagna bolognese. Let's go! Okay, so first we're gonna need ingredients for our lasagna bolognese. So we have here ground beef. It's a 80-20% ratio. So if you go to a supermarket, make sure to find a good ground beef with 80 and 20% ratio. You can find it on the label itself. Okay, and we have minced garlic, minced onions. We have button mushrooms. We have marinara sauce and lasagna pasta. You can get the oven ready lasagna pasta, or if you have a fresh pasta, that would be better. I have some parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, and mozzarella cheese. And of course you need 8x8 pan for your lasagna. So we're gonna preheat the oven at 375. And then we're gonna start cooking the lasagna bolo, the bolo sauce. Add oil on the pot, about 4 tablespoons. Add minced garlic. Saute the garlic first until fragrant. Add your onions. Alright, next we're gonna add the ground beef. Nice. Make sure you stir them very well. So the onions and garlic will mix with the ground beef. Okay, just let it cook and until the beef turns brown. Alright, as you can see right here, beef is almost cooked. We are going to add the mushrooms. Okay. Add salt and pepper. Salt. Pepper. Alright, so we're gonna add some herbs. Got some oregano, and then some lemon thyme. I have a fresh thyme over here, so I'm gonna use this one. And just amount. Okay. Mix them well. Okay, so we can, as you can see right here, there's like oil, excess oil, so we have to take some of those because we don't want our lasagna to be very oily. So take some of those oil out. Okay, so after we take the oil out, we are going to add marinara sauce. Then let it simmer for about 5 minutes, and then that should be good. we are now going to taste our bolo sauce. Always taste your sauce before you put it on your lasagna. We are now going to assemble our lasagna. So first off, you have to put a little bit of sauce, the bolo sauce, at the bottom of the pan. Okay. Spread it out just a little bit. Okay, and then add the pasta sheets. So, just like that. And then add a little bit of sauce again on top. And add your ricotta cheese. 1 teaspoon at a time. So as you can see right here, you can see some gap on the side. That's okay, doesn't matter, because when you cook the lasagna, the pasta will just spread out. And then after that, put some mozzarella cheese. Put the mozzarella cheese, add the parmesan cheese. So after that one, we're going to add another layer. Same thing how we did on the first layer. So add the pasta first. Okay. That at the last layer. Try to press them down a little bit. Nice. Then at the very top, you are going to add some marinara sauce. Okay. Spread, spread, spread. Foil, cook for 375 for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, I took them out in the oven, and then next thing you have to do, take out the foil out. And then put it back in the oven for another 5 to 8 minutes until the top part will be a little bit brown. Okay. Guys, after about 7 minutes in the oven, this is now our lasagna. So we're going to slice our lasagna and we'll see how it looks like from the inside. Here. going to try our lasagna. A piece. Lasagna is very good, very cheesy. You should try it at home, and this is really good for parties. Alright guys, I hope you learned something today. That's how you make your lasagna bolognese. And if you like my video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you again on my next video. Bye!